Good morning from Seward, Alaska, and welcome to the vlog. It is a chilly morning out here. We're going to do a little bit of maintenance on the Expedition vehicle today.
Seasons are definitely changing at these latitudes. So we have a 2007 Mitsubishi Fuso FG140 with the 4M50 engine, and this is actually a very surprisingly easy oil change. Actually, I shouldn't say surprisingly, because this is a work truck, and theoretically good engineering should make certain processes simple, and this one is definitely that. Well, the biggest pain in the butt part of doing this oil change is that you need to clean out the cab of the truck. Unfortunately, in this case, we just completed the Dempster Highway, so I cleaned everything out. But there's some safety mechanisms here where you have to grab one handle to release the other. And then, here we go. The whole engine and everything is exposed. Make sure, safety feature right here, this little, oh gosh, locking piece for a technical word. Make sure that little lever is down, locking it into place.
Well, before we get too much deeper into this project, I do want to remind you to check out our new website, www.hisandhershub.com. Has a ton of great resources, learning, ebooks, courses, access to our videos, amazing stuff. Go check it out, become a member today.
Fortunately, this truck is high enough off the ground that you do not need your traditional shallow drain pan. A 5-gallon bucket works just fine. There we go. And now it's time to drop the oil filter. Just gonna loosen it up and try not to get too messy. There we go. Almost there. There it is. Let that puppy drain. Kind of the basics here. Put a little oil on the gasket and make sure you're not doubling up gaskets. I'm a firm believer in using OE components, but man, we really needed to do an oil change after that run up the Dempster, so I think this is better than not doing it. We got pretty lucky on this vehicle because from the factory it recommends the Mobil Delvac 1300 Super, which is just a conventional motor oil. I'd love to hear your input on some of the synthetics or the blends, but this is a very affordable motor oil. I think it's only like $13 a gallon at Walmart, and this is actually the 2.5 gallon one, which makes it even cheaper. Something else that's really cool about this truck and rather convenient, this is like the third time I've changed the oil myself, but it takes 3 gallons on the dot. Yeah, the 2.5 gallon jugs makes it a pain in the butt, you know, but I do it to save a few bucks. But 3 gallons, that's seriously very easy. And for the final 2 quarts here, let's dump out half of this 1 gallon bottle. Before we start the engine, take a quick peek at the dipstick here. You know, it's funny about diesels is that even right after you change that oil is still black. Doesn't give you much faith, but I do know that it's fresh oil in there. Okay, let's see where we're at. A little above the top hash mark, but keep in mind the oil filter is still empty, so we are good to start the engine. Alright, we're in neutral. Here we go. You know, this vehicle gives you warning signs. When you're getting close to that 6,000 mile mark, the engine actually starts making a lot more noise. But it purrs so quietly with fresh oil. Alright, let's check the oil. Okay, dipstick. Let's see where we're at, guys. So like I said, it's my third oil change, and I'd like to look for patterns like that just to make things easier, because I know all of a sudden one day it's not going to start taking 4 gallons. Oh, look at that. Like just below that top hash mark. We got a winner. Dare I say I could put a little bit more, but it is like that close to the top. And this thing has never burned a drop of oil. Okay, coming down. The main latch has engaged down here. All that's left is to push this down, and there we go.
I think that's a wrap. We've got nice fresh oil in the engine and we're ready for another road trip.
Exactly. And it's only going to be a matter of time before we hit the road again. So hit that subscribe button. You know, we do a little maintenance, we do a little traveling, we do a little camera work, and all in all, we just have fun. We'll see you on the road.